Oh, that is a sound of beauty, that is. Hello, hit takers. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you might be watching from. Hope you're doing all right. Today I'm down at a site called Pyke Airsoft, which is a nice little woodland site set in a scout camping ground, I think. It's really nice, really open play areas, but some nice dense bits as well. And we're doing a simple objective right now to try and blow up some bases. So I'm hoping that you'll enjoy the footage. I've never been to this site before, so I'm not sure about the lay of the land. I'll probably end up giving myself away because I'm talking so much. But yeah, we'll just see how it goes. You boys both dead? Okay. That's the marshal. Okay, that's an enemy. Shit, where are you? Oh, fuck, he's running right round behind us. Green team, they are flanking on the left-hand side! Okay. Enemy players through there. I think they're overhopping again. Where did he go? Hit! There might well be people out in this direction. And there are. I can hear movement. Right. Is he dead? No, I don't think he is. Right, now that white band means he's now dead, because the medic rule is once you get hit, you tie that around your wrist. What was also interesting is that he knew exactly where I was. Yeah, because this is really hiding in camouflage, isn't it? Through to him. Now, this is really annoying because it means the sniper's coming around on the right hand side to get me, and there is a sniper there. I still can't get. Did I get it? No, I don't think I did. I must have hit the branch just in front of him. Now, this is where it gets interesting because I'm going to catch 22. Oh, I think I'm lucky. Does he know I'm here? No. Okay. I've just moved back behind the trees there. Let's try and creep up on him, shall we? I do not know. Is it one of the blues? Yes, it's one of the blues. Oh, fuck. How did I not see you? Are you alright tying it on? Cause
yeah.
Okay.
There's no more arm, goes on.
Left.
Oh, this is shit.
Because if I tie it on, I'll get it all caught up in the leaves of my hand. There is a bloke directly in front of us. I don't know if he's still in.
It usually is. This is much longer, I think.
Over on the right hand side of the tree. Moving right, moving right. See that movement? In. We're massively exposed on the right hand side.
Just to the left of the big bush is one guy.
Yeah, he's moved. Well, he's moved from where I could see him. Let's put it that way. Oh no, there he is. Got him. There's another one somewhere near there. Whoa, that was close.
Here he is.
He's directly in front of us here. It must be a sniper because it was a pistol. Got him. Through the narrow gap as well.
Really?
Yeah. Right, let's keep moving. I'm going to sprint into this middle bit. Just watch out for any movement. Yeah. Oh, fucking hell. So after that little skirmish, even though I didn't really get anyone, I'm going to see if I can work my way back around to the side of them, see if I can get that sniper who took me out. don't know. Oh, amazing. Now I was aiming well up, so he must have been about 250 feet away, I'd say. Thanks for watching everyone. I'll have new videos out soon. But in the meantime, if you enjoyed this video, make sure that like button takes its hit and be sure to subscribe. Bye for now.